this is a tutorial for your split heel climb. So you really, if you have sweaty feet sometimes, you might want to wipe your feet, get a cloth or something like that, because you're going to be basically putting your weight of your body into your foot whilst you're on the pole. So the first variation of this that I would always say is good to learn is just to put your foot on the pole. So toes are facing up towards the ceiling. And then because I've got my left leg on, I want my left hand on first and then my right hand above. And then all I'm going to do from there is push through this bottom foot, so it's taking my bum back, and then I'm going to take my right leg behind me. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Just move that leg out the way. And then down. Okay, so that's just to get used to what it feels like to put the weight in your arm. Okay, so from there, you want to think about the bottom foot as a pivot point whereby you're doing like a quarter turn. So you're going to put the foot on the pole, and some people like to use the instep, some people like to use the ball of the foot. I like to use the ball of the foot, so that's the way I'm going to teach it. So toes are facing the ceiling, but then toes are going to face forwards. So ceiling, forward. You can do this on spinny or static pole, really doesn't matter, because you're controlling the weight with the arms. So I've got my left foot on now, I'm going to put my left hand above, and all I'm trying to do is get this right leg up onto the pole. Okay, so I'm going from there to there. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to come down to there like that. So if you think, oh, there's no way I can do that because I haven't got my splits or anything like that, you really don't need your splits. You can do this with bent legs, you can do it with your legs pretty much like narrow. You don't need your splits to do this. It's a really good strengthening exercise, so don't let the flexibility element of it put you off. So if you want to improve your flexibility in this area, you can put your inside foot forwards or your bottom foot forwards to there. So left foot in, left hand on, go down and up, down and up. Okay, so that's an exercise you can do just to get used to where your torso goes in the space. So it goes from this upright position to the side, to up, to side. So I'm going to show you that again. So we've got, let's walk in. So it's there. So let's go and try it around the other side. So there are many different combinations you can do from this, but it's really important that you learn to stabilise it, get down and up before you start linking anything else with it. So let's just do that now. We're going to do the first move, the other side. So we're going to put the foot on, right foot on now, right hand, left hand, back. We haven't got the space there. Bend, pull in. So that's part one. If you feel okay with that, then it's okay to go to the next step, which we'll do the split heel from the floor now. So step, lift, and then if that feels okay, let's take it up. So we're just going foot, foot, and the hands are somewhere in the middle. Really important to get that torso to drop. Okay, so let's do that again. So let's step with the opposite foot to what we're putting on the pole. Let's go. And that's your split heel climb. So definitely, like as I said before, just learn that for now, get strong with it on both sides, and then visit some of the videos whereby I show you lots of combinations from them. Enjoy this move.